This is an Eura Mobil 690 VB, which claims to be a family motorhome. It's 7 meters in length, 235 in width, and as you can see, it has an overcab. For something like this, you're looking at around 85,000 euros. Steps up because there is a very deep double floor, and of course, as there's a double floor, there is storage in it. Flat floor to the back. What it's got at the back is 2 bunks. There's a sort of children's area with a presumably a children's table. Next to that we have got the shower and toilet, and bringing this up like this we can see the mirror and a nicely appointed washroom. There's quite a lot of storage, and one of the advantages of the overcab is that we get all of this storage. It's sort of seems to push everything up higher. Fridge here, and of course next to the fridge we find the kitchen. It's got a very large sink, 3 burners, and storage of course below. This is a converts also into a bed, so effectively you can sleep 6 people in this vehicle. That's when you see a rear facing bench like that, it normally means it is also a bed. Storage down there, and a very big bed in the cab over part. Windows at either side, and there the cabin is set at a different height to the rest of the motorhome. Let's come out. Oh, there's USB and electrical points as well. Now, one thing this can offer is a garage, which is here, and whilst we're at the garage we can have a look at the depth of the double floor. Quite impressive in my opinion. The Activa One that has a number of vehicles in the range with various layouts, and with either for families, as it says here, or large amounts of people, or others which are for just 2 people. You can see this in more detail in another video. There will be a link to the other video below. If there isn't, then remind me. Thanks for watching.